Hello, and welcome to the Armstrong Risk Report. We will inform and educate you on critical risk and insurance issues facing your business. Our host, Jason Blantz, will bring to you weekly updates on how to manage your risk. Today's topic is common mistakes business owners make with regard to their insurance. Now, let's turn it over to Jason.
Business owners think their insurance protects them from most common risks. That is until something happens, and that's when they find out what was missed. And by then, it's too late. I'm Jason Blantz with the Armstrong Company Insurance Consultants. I work with business owners every day to help them structure their insurance correctly so that when something goes wrong, they're actually protected. Today, I want to walk you through what most business owners get wrong about commercial insurance and how to fix it. The biggest mistake I see is this. Business owners assume that because they are a certain size, they don't need insurance, or assuming they have a policy, they must be covered. But insurance isn't just about having a policy. It's about having the right structure. For example, every business that has employees is legally required to carry workers' compensation. Workers' comp needs to reflect your actual payroll and job classifications. Your general liability limits need to properly consider today's claim environment. Do you have the right coverage for your business? Do you need property coverage? Do you need coverage for tools? Do you have umbrella coverage? Many think they are okay, but in reality, they are exposed. Let's talk about workers' comp. Many business owners see it just as a required expense, but here's what they miss. Workers' comp is one of the most actively managed policies you have. If not set up correctly, you could be overpaying significantly. Some things that unnecessarily raise premium are misclassifying employees, not getting certificate of insurance from subcontractors, over or under reporting payroll, poor claims management. Not verifying these areas can lead to significant higher costs for years and lead to year-end audit surprises. Another big mistake is buying insurance purely on price. I get it, no one wants to overpay. But the cheapest policy, it's just usually an expensive mistake. Why? Well, in most situations, it's going to exclude key coverages, have inadequate limits, and the gaps are only going to show up when there's a claim. The right approach is not just lowering premiums. It's aligning coverage with your actual risk, and that's where strategy comes in. Here's the truth. Assurance alone is not a risk management plan. The best run businesses focus on employee training, safety programs, claims response procedures, contract transfer of risk, and they do ongoing policy reviews. When all those pieces work together, insurance becomes more effective and often more affordable. If there's one thing I can leave you with, it's this. Don't assume your coverage. Know you're covered. If you haven't reviewed your workers' comp or your commercial insurance program in the last 12 months, there's a good chance there are gaps or opportunities you're missing. If you have questions about your current program, feel free to reach out. And if this was helpful, subscribe. We'll be breaking down more real-world insurance and risk strategies in